I think it is. I think it's right here. Just stay here for a moment. So if that's it, it's gonna be right over there. I'm pretty sure I had a glimpse of it through my camera.
It's going down.
Is it still in front of us?
It'd be over there.
Yeah, I don't see it on radar at this point.
No, I do. Yeah, it's that whole tight couplet right there. Because whenever you get these broad mesocyclones aloft, you get the tight little individual velocities in the middle of it. That might have been the occlusion of it, possibly. It's in front of us now. The rotation's right there. You see the winds are back out of the west now, so it's in front of us.
I asked. There's a part of that behind us and we're in the road.
I'm not in the room.
Yeah, we are. Our rear is. We need our flashing lights.
I have my blinkers on.
Rotation would be crossing in front of us. If there's a tornado there, it'd also be crossing in front of us.